I'm going to do a problem that involves plotting points, consecutive transformations, and determining the coordinates of the vertices of an image triangle. So first I'm going to plot 3 points on the coordinate grid, and I'm going to connect the points to form triangle ABC. So point A has an x-coordinate of -2 and a y-coordinate of 2. So from the origin, I go to -2 on the x-axis and up 2. So there's point A. Point B has an x-coordinate of -4 and a y-coordinate of 1. So from the origin, I'll go over to -4 on the x-axis and up 1 unit. So there's point B. Point C has an x-coordinate of -1 and a y-coordinate of -3. So from the origin, I go to -1 on the x-axis and down 3 units. So there's C. Now I'm going to connect those 3 points to form triangle ABC. So there's triangle ABC. Now, I'm going to do a rotation. I'm going to use C as the center of rotation, which is right here, and I'm going to rotate triangle ABC 270 degrees clockwise to form triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So I'm going to use tracing paper for that. So first I'm going to place the tracing paper over my grid here, and I'm going to mark on it where points A, B, and C are. Careful not to move it yet until I do my rotation. Now remember, C is going to be the center of rotation. A lot of the times we use the origin as the center of rotation, but in this case we're actually going to use a point on the object. Now I'm just going to put a little reference arrow here. Now I'm going to rotate the tracing paper 270 degrees clockwise. Keep your eye on the reference arrow. So there's a 90-degree clockwise turn, or a quarter of a full turn of the tracing paper. There's a 180-degree turn clockwise, or a half of a full turn of the tracing paper. And there's 270-degree turn clockwise, or 3/4 of a full turn of the tracing paper. Now again, I'm careful not to move the tracing paper. Now, I'm going to lift the tracing paper. So directly under my point A on the tracing paper is going to be where A primed is. Directly under B on the tracing paper is going to be where B primed is. And directly under the C is where we're going to see where C prime is going to be. And obviously it's going to be at the same place as C, since C was the center of rotation. Now I'm going to join those 3 points to form triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So there's triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Now I'm going to do reflection. I'm going to reflect triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, which is this triangle, in the x-axis to form triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. So the x-axis is going to be the mirror. I'm going to reflect this particular triangle in this mirror. So I'm just going to highlight the mirror here. So there's our mirror, or our mirror line. Now, I'm going to reflect A prime in the mirror. Remember, the image's vertices are going to be the same distance from the mirror line as this object. So right now, A prime is 4 units from the mirror line. So its image, when I reflect it here, A double prime, has to be 4 units from the mirror line. B primed is 6 units from the mirror line. So its image, B double primed, is going to be 6 units on the other side of the mirror line. C primed is 3 units from the mirror line. So its image, C double prime, has to be 3 units on the other side of the mirror line. Now I'm going to join those 3 points to form triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. So there's triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. Now, finally, I'm going to write the coordinates of the vertices of triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. So to get to A double prime from the origin, I'd have to go to -6 on the x-axis and up 4 units. So A double prime has coordinates -6 and 4. To get to B double prime from the origin, I'd have to go to -5 on the x-axis and up 6 units. So B double prime has coordinates -5 and 6. To get to C double prime from the origin, I'd have to go to -1 on the x-axis and up 3 units. So C double prime has coordinates -1 and 3.